And the call to incorporate innovation and modern farming technology in agriculture is getting louder by the day, with the Mombasa International Show looking to push the agenda. The 5-day show, which is to officially be opened by President Uhuru Kenyatta on the 30th of August, will see exhibitors showcasing modern farming methods, innovations in dairy farming, animal husbandry, among others. Additionally, the show will focus on food security, value addition, and animal husbandry to boost beef and dairy production. 150 exhibitors from both the public and private sector are expected to participate.
Nyumba za culture tofauti ambazo ndio tumeona mwaka huu tuweze kufanya ili kuhamasisha wananchi upande wa tamaduni zetu. So hizo nyumba ambazo tuko nazo ni kama 7 hivi, na kutoka tamaduni ya kila kabila ambao sana sana ni kutoka hapa pwani. Milango yetu tunafungua tarehe 30 mpaka tarehe 3. Official opening itakuwa ni tarehe 31. Theme yetu ya show ni promoting innovation and technology in agriculture and trade.